In this video you will learn how to find this integral using the Laplace transform. Let's start. Laplace transform of any function ft is defined by this integral representation. Now substitute ft equal to sine at by t in this expression. Now the question is how to find the Laplace transform of this function. Let's first find the Laplace transform of sine at. Direct use this well-known integration and apply the limits. And here we found the Laplace transform of sine at. I hope you are familiar with this property of Laplace transform of ft by t. You can also check this video to derive this property. Now let's apply this property for ft equal to sine at and put the Laplace transform of sine at. Solve this integral and apply the limits. We got this pi by 2 minus 10 inverse s by a. Now we can substitute this value to solve this integral. And for s equal to 0 we got our expression for Dirichlet integral, which is equal to pi by 2. Keep learning and subscribe the channel.